All right, today I want to talk about my nails. I just did them last night. I got sent some cool nail polish from the Manicurist. It's not the first time I try it. They had sent me the Active range, which I absolutely love. I use that pretty often. I really like that sparkly shade. But they sent me their green polish line. So I was able to pick out a couple of shades. I do have a link. I will link it down below if you want to support and buy through my link. If not, it's totally fine. I just want to show you what I got. This has to be one of the most like luxe nail polish I've ever tried. It's very pigmented, and you'll see in the video, like when I go to swipe, it's like full color. And it's really nice. Okay, so I got sent like the starter kit, so it's like a process. I'll quickly walk you through it. It comes with the degreaser. This is like a nail prep. It's going to remove anything on top of the nails so that you can follow up with the base coat. You do one coat of this. I did the shade Pomegranate, which is this color. It's really pretty. I love that you can see the color. I know with their gel colors, I think it's in the bottle is darker, but the color of the sticker is different. It shows you the color of the nail polish, I think. So I picked this one. This is the one I have on now, and it's so freaking nice. These are the other colors that I will be trying soon. This is Aubergine, which is like a really beautiful purple, and this is Anthracite. I hope I said that right. It's like a nice gray, like dark colors. I'm like dark colors, red colors, or like nudes. This is the top coat, and it's supposed to give like a gel-like effect, and then these are the drying drops, which are really cool. You'll see in the video, like as soon as you drop it in the center of the nail, it just goes whoosh everywhere, and it's really cool. So this is the final look. Please bear with me. When I'm filming and I'm doing my nails, I still have to get used to the camera being like kind of in my way. And you're gonna see that I get some polish on my, like around the tips of my fingers. It's just because I can't, when I do my nails, right, I'm like over my nails like this because I can't see that well. So it is a little bit messy, but I've cleaned them up since, and this is them. So I really like it. I've had a huge success with the Active range, the one that I reviewed before. I'll link it here. Those last like 10 days. I end up taking it off because I end up cleaning up my cuticles and buffing my nails, but I know I'm gonna love these. It's the same formula. Very, very nice. These retail for about $14 a piece. The bundle's always better price because you can get a couple of products and they price them out nice. Your typical like OPI SE, depending on where you get it, is going to run you about $11. So it's around the same, not the same price point. This is obviously a little bit more pricey, but the more expensive nail polishes like London something, I haven't tried it. Those are about $18. So this is like somewhere in the middle. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. All right, I'm going to start off with a degreaser. Do this after you've like prepped your nails. This is just going to remove any residue left over and just really get the nails ready. And it's not drying either. The base coat applies really nice, even, and it kind of dries quick, which I like. The wand of like the brush is like the perfect size. It covers the full nail. Look how saturated this color is. Here I'm taking my time. This is where I get a little bit messy because the camera's kind of in my way. But you could see, like, you get a nice, like, first coat, like, super even. And I love how vibrant the color is. Top coat, I forgot to show it, but I'm using the top coat now. This, by the time I'm done putting the nail polish on, and I'm ready to put on the top coat, and there's no smudging or anything like that. These are cool, these drops, watch. You just put them in the center of the nail and it just expands and covers the entire nail. See that? That is like the coolest thing. Excuse the messy nail polish job. And that's it.